How to install Bigo Live app. Ready to remove Bigo Live from your phone? Here's how to install it quickly and cleanly. Locate the Bigo Live app on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap and hold the app icon. Install. If you don't have install, tap app info and tap install and tap OK. Want to try again later? Simply head to the App Store and search Bigo Live and hit install, and that's it. Bigo Live is officially installed. If this helped, hit like, and if you have any question, drop them in the comment and subscribe for more quick app tutorials. See you in the next time.